she's just literally having a small bowl of pasta, and she's going to have this as well. So I've been doing this a lot recently. I've been serving my family fruit and veg platters, and I just think it's a really nice thing to have on a dinner table because we all eat it, and anything we don't eat, I'll just throw in the juicer tomorrow morning. So actually it's a nice way of providing them with something to nibble on, and B, having some leftovers to juice with, so I don't have to prepare them in the morning. See what I did there? I've been learning loads recently and doing lots of research about juicing, and I think next week I'm going to try juicing a lot with cucumber. I've heard that, or I've read that minerals, what I want to do is I want to juice with fruit and veg containing minerals, so lots of kale, lots of cucumber, and really excited to introduce these into my life. These are actually water bottles which have little filters inside of them which you can fill with fruit, so they're basically detox water bottles, and you can make fruit detox. Lots of great detox recipes already which I want to try. You know, lemon, cucumber, celery. Oh my god, celery is amazing for you. So I'm excited to try these. Found a vegetable thief. It's not dinner time yet. You're like a little rabbit stealing stuff from my vegetable patch. And loves seeing Olivia eat fruit and veg. I'm so lucky. She's a good eater. Is it yummy? So my nephew's cooking tonight, and he's actually browned off the chicken in a frying pan and he's put it all in the dish. And do you remember, guys, last week when I was vlogging recipes, I had like some sweet chili sauce which I'd bought in a pack. I'm just going to pour that over the chicken, cook it, serve it with rice, poppadoms, and whatever else I can find. We're going to drizzle all over and let that marinate whilst it's cooking. Okay, so dinner is served. We've got gluten-free poppadoms with some mango chutney, gluten-free rice, chili chicken. It's actually sweet chili chicken. I just used the sauce to marinate. I've got a really nice green juice here ready to be blasted in my NutriBillet. Inside I've got apple and pear, spinach, cucumber, celery, mint, and a slice of ginger. You could mix this up a bit and try something different tomorrow. Like tomorrow I'm going to try, instead of spinach and mint, I'm going to try kale and parsley. So good for you, so many minerals. Okay, so what jam? You've got any jam?
Yeah.
Oh look, plum, lemon, orange marmalade. Look at all these chutneys, aren't they beautiful? Such good prices. Put it in the box. In here, in here, in here. Good girl. And now, which jam are we going to buy? What do you like?
That one.
Hello. Okay, so a really quick dinner for this evening because I am overtired and I'm just being really rubbish at meal plans today. So we've got an egg salad. I was going to do an egg and tuna salad and realised that we have no tuna. So I hard boiled some eggs, I popped some pasta, some salad, olives, celery and cucumber, yellow peppers, and I made some of these little nice thin potato rusties. Sorry, not sorry. Tell you what's on the menu this evening. Carbs as promised, just in the form of pasta though, with a little pesto sauce, so nothing too heavy. And we've got some chicken, some fresh basil. I'm just going to soak that in extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to make a little sauce using natural yogurt and some lime. So straightforward, but the basil smells delicious. This couldn't get any more simple. I'm literally going to splash some extra virgin olive oil into the pan. I'm going to throw my chicken in. There's nothing neat about this dish. The best dishes are just thrown together. I'm going to put my basil in. This basil just smells so fresh, so good. Squeeze some lime. I've done something similar to this dish before with lemon and rosemary and different herbs, but today I'm using basil and lime. I'm going to top it with salt and pepper. Reheated the oven and that's ready to go in. Brought some edamame beans to the table. They're frozen at the moment, but I am going to put them on to boil. Not for too long, just to take the edge off and cook them for a little. And I'm making a teriyaki and honey sauce. I'm going to pour a sticky sauce over them and add sesame seeds. I could eat these all day, every day. Oh my god, perfect. Everyone, a raspberry overload this morning. I've got some avocado in there and banana, and I'm actually using my elbow almond. We continued eating really healthily for the rest of the week, so now I've got to go away and think of some more great recipes to bring you next week. I know we've just been having loads of salads and loads of soups and it's all been pretty boring, so I've really got to get my thinking cap on and see what I can rustle up. Have a great weekend guys and a great week ahead. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.